Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Do you know that quizzes don't always have to be boring? In QuizWhizzer, students can always answer questions while competing on a board game style activity, making learning more engaging and fun. My name is Hana Awreliya, and in this video, I will show you how to use QuizWhizzer in English learning. So without further ado, let's get started.
First, open your web browser and go to the QuizWhizzer website. On the homepage, click Login if you already have an account, or select Sign Up to create a new account. After logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. To create a new activity, click the Create Quiz button. First, enter the quiz title. For this example, I will use descriptive text, physical appearance. Next, complete the quiz information by selecting the subject and grade level. Since this activity is designed for English language learning, I select language as the subject area. And for the grade level, I choose grade 7. After completing the quiz details, click Create. Now we can begin adding questions. QuizWhizzer supports several question types. In this example, I will use multiple choice questions because they are suitable for checking students' comprehension of descriptive text. In this activity, each question is based on a descriptive text about a person's physical appearance. Therefore, before creating the question, I first insert an image containing the descriptive text so that students can read the information before answering. To do this, click Add Question and select the option to upload an image. Then upload the image containing the descriptive text. After the image has been added, type the question below it. Next, enter the answer choices. After entering all answer options, select correct answer. Once everything is completed, save the question. The same process is repeated for the remaining questions. For each item, I first insert a descriptive text image, then create a comprehension question and the answer choices, and finally mark the correct answer. In this example, I prepare a total of 10 questions. After all 10 questions have been added and saved, the quiz can be published and ready to be used in class. Click the play button to launch the quiz. QuizWhizzers offer 3 game modes. The first one is live race, where students answer questions at their own pace and compete with one another in real time. The second is guided race, where the teacher controls the pace. And the third is solo race, which can be assigned as homework for students to complete individually. For this demonstration, I will use live race. After selecting the game mode, the next step is customizing the game board. QuizWhizzer allows teachers to use community-created maps, images from the internet, or create their own map. For this, I use a custom map. After uploading the map, I arrange the tiles on the board. Since this quiz contains 10 questions, I create 11 tiles in total, including the finished tile. This makes the game board more balanced and enjoyable for students. Once the tiles have been arranged, click Select Map to use board. Next, configure the game settings. For correct answers, I set the reward to move forward one tile. For incorrect answers, QuizWhizzer provides several penalty options, such as moving backward or adding a time penalty. In this demonstration, I choose a 10-second time penalty for each incorrect answer. QuizWhizzer will then display additional game options, such as whether to shuffle the questions, shuffle the answer choices, allow repeated questions, and other gameplay settings. These options can be adjusted according to the teacher's preferences and learning objectives. Once all settings have been finalized, click Start Game. QuizWhizzer will generate a game code and a joining link. Students can join the activity by entering the game code or opening the provided link on their devices. As students join, their names will appear on the participant list. After all students have entered the game, click Start Game again to begin the activity. At the end of the activity, QuizWhizzer provides a record of students' performance. The teacher can view students' scores, responses, and overall results, making it easier to monitor learning progress and evaluate students' understanding of the lesson.
And that is how you use QuizWhizzer to create a more interactive and fun learning experience. That is all for my video. Thank you for watching and I hope this video was helpful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.